I had an issue with the smoke function, so I had to detach the body shell, and I want to show you what I discovered. You see, this is the smoke generator. You see, that one is the fan, the motor with the fan. That is the tank which contains the smoke agent, and this is the all the electronics. Now I try to understand what is not working, and then I tell you how I fixed it. Okay, I understood what was going wrong, because there was the motor inside this electronics, which is attached to a fan that didn't work in a proper way. So I fixed it, and then let's see together if it works. Okay, now as you can see, the smoke is